Yo, what it do? Today I have to build, and you heard my knees. I have to build this 2,000 pound 1 ton foldable engine stand. As you could tell, the videos are not in order. I already took the engine out and I'm supposed to move some parts from here to here, so I need to put this together, so stick around. Alright, the unboxing. I had it under the dodgy bun, hiding it from the elements for the element. That pun right there. So you guys can see it's a 2,000 pound one. I've seen the assemblies for the 1,000 pound engine stands. Haven't seen one for 2,000. Maybe I'm not searching right, but either way, we're gonna put this guy together. All right, so I was trying to do the responsible thing, right? Which is something none of us guys do, is look at the instructions, right? We're visual learners. But I was kind of trying to see if it told us something about what size wrench or something, like a 1/2 inch, 9/16, 17, 15 mil, something, you know, imperial standard, whatever. But there's nothing here, just a list of what comes with the package. So if you guys want to screenshot that or whatever, but figure it out, and as we go along I'll tell you what I'm using, what mil, what standard size, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, whatever. I'll let you know. All right, I got you. Let's keep the pairs together. I'll tell you what, this stuff is pretty heavy. It was hard for me to pull it out from under the van, but yeah, I'll make sure you guys see what I see. Do you see what I? Oh shit, there's water got in there. Oh, what's that? We're gonna find all types of things in here today. What kind of creatures are in here? I think I saw a spider crawl out. I bought this probably about a year ago and I haven't used it. Well, it's been, like I said, stored under there, so I don't know what they're going for right now, but I'll update the price as we go, because at the time of filming, for sure it's a different price than when I got it. I don't even know where that receipt is. Oh shit, it started rusting out. Good thing I'm getting to it now, right? We'll say it is it's heavy metal. Okay, I think that's about it. If I can get it out. Of course, the last one, right? It's always a struggle. You guys have that luck too, that you're able to take off all the screws and then you get to the last one. The last one's the one that gives you a headache or it breaks or something. I have that luck. Okay. So, oh, okay. I thought it had a picture of it or something, but I guess not. All right. So let's see. What size these guys are. We got some smaller ones. Just dump them all out. Yeah, it looks like we have some big ones, some medium ones, and some small ones. So let's go to my toolbox. Trunk of this my old GT Mustang. Actually, it's not that old. It's a 98. Well, I guess it is pretty old, right? 19? Nope. Okay, well that's a 19. Got a winner. This guy 14. Alright, so 19 and a 14. Gotta figure out what this guy is. Alright, so figured it out. I have a 21 mil, also Harbor Freight. It's usually like a lug nut one. If you don't, too easy, just, you know, get an adjustable wrench. Boom, we're done. Alright, so I'm gonna start this from the bottom up, like a building. Start with the casters. This looks like it's the back part, foldable section, so the rest probably just a bunch of pins, but gotta get the casters on. Oh, what's this? Ooh, but wait, there's more.
But wait, there's more.
Nice. Okay, cool. So I guess this is what the 14s are for. There we go. You're gonna keep the lock washer, this guy on the bottom side, next to this guy to make sure it doesn't slip out or it doesn't vibrate out of its place. All right, just snug enough. We'll come back and tighten them all down afterwards. Same thing to the other side. Got it in place. One, two. If you have a ratchet, you can go ahead and hit it with the ratchet too.
I do this for the ratchets.
Alright, so check it out. You have 3 different casters. Who the heck is messing up my shot? Stella Rosa. That flyer. Alright. Like I was saying, you got 3 different size casters. A small one, these are for the 2 fronts, and then this guy goes right here. And then you're gonna find the ones that have these little sleeves on them, and those are the ones that you're gonna use for the casters. Hey, where you going? All right, there we go. So get the one with the collar. Ooh, with the collar, the sleeve. Get that guy in there. And then washer, lock, washer, lock ring, whatever you prefer to call it, and bolt. And then these guys are 19. I think they're 19s. Yep, 19. Where the ratchets at? Where the ratchets at?
Where the ratchets at? Tell me where the ratchets at.
I don't think you have to hulk it, but you know, snug enough. Thing's gonna spin anyways. Alright, so from here we're gonna go with the legs. So put this guy back down. Get one of these guys. Oh, I'm not trying to scratch it. It's gonna go like that. Oh, look at all that rust. Nasty oxidation. I'll probably hit it with some, you know, I'll hit it afterwards with some WD-40. I'll probably help it out a little bit. And the pins, that's when these guys come in. So, oh, I need 2 hands for this. Don't fall on me. So what do we have? What do we have? Alright, got a cotter pin, so let's get this guy in there. Yeah, Skeeter trying to get me. He saw that fly. Damn, Skeeters are vicious out here. Alright, so you got one. Dude, is that airplane coming back around again? I feel like he's checking up on me, trying to see what I'm working on over here. All right, we got one. Nothing to this. Yeah, you hear him? He's coming back around again. It's coming back around again. Yeah, I'll probably get a better shot of him now. Hold on. See him? Stella Rosa. I wonder what engine is in that thing. All right, let's get back to business, y'all. So almost done, halfway there. The base is almost done. All right, so like I was saying, the one with the sleeves are the ones for the casters. So we got one over here. Oops. Hey, see, that airplane took me out of rhythm. I always get distracted. Get rhythm. Rather put these on the outside, so like that if you're walking by you don't get caught up your pant leg or shoelaces or something. You know how inconveniently things happen like that, and you're like, damn, is it just my luck? All right, snug those up. I don't need the deep sockets for these, so. Like I said, you don't have to hulk it, just enough so it doesn't go anywhere. Lock washers will keep them in. Plus, if you go too tight, you might get to a point where, yeah, like that. Oh, that's not too bad. Just like skateboard tires, you tighten them up too much, like that. See, you get no spinach. So, like I said, just snug enough. There you go. It's like a skateboard, y'all. No bearings. All right. So this is the foldable part of these guys, which all it is just these. Drop it. Bam. See? And that. There you go. You put that in there. Cotter pin locks it in place. Same thing over here with this guy. Drop it. And I'm on uneven ground, so that's why I'm having a hard time right here. But there you go. Just wiggle it around. You know, go in. Boom. All right, so I'm over here checking out, and these M1490 are gonna be these guys right here, the two longest ones. None of these other ones are gonna clear the tower and this part right here, so these are the only ones that are gonna make it. Kind of hard to mess up, so just so you guys know. Right, according to the picture, the tower doesn't really show anything, but from what I can tell is there's a little pitch on this at an angle so that it is biased towards the back, and then the back part has this little I don't know what you would call it, but it's got like a recessed tubing type part. So that's how I'm gonna install it, and if it's correct, it's correct, and y'all know. Oops. Come on, get in there. Go in your home. There you go. There's one. And the airplane, I think, is circling around again. Bro, that guy's busy today. All right, that's in. Now we're just gonna snug them up, and I think for this is the 21. Is that 21? Should be the 21. 21 pilots. Nope, it's not. Well, in that case, where's my adjustable? All right. So you want to be a real badass? Just get yourself a set of adjustables, and you know, you don't have to even keep going back and forth except adjusting them. There you go. I mean, I don't think they have to be super tight, right? There you go, tight enough. Torque to spec, according to my spec. There you go. This guy's not going anywhere. There you go. Done. All right, now if we check what's left in the box, we're gonna see that we have 3 with single washers, and then 4 with double washers. So the 4 with the double washers are gonna be for the actual engine holder. I don't know what you would call it, actual thing that holds the the engine. And these guys are for the rest of the supports, which are these guys. So let's unwrap these. Same but different. See what I'm saying? Right, here we go. Sandwich time. So you get this guy here. You just gotta hook these guys up the correct way and we're good. Get the other bolt. And same thing. Just leave them kind of loose because you might have to, like, you know, shimmy it a little back and forth just to make sure that it gets in. There you go. There we go. Adjustable wrench time. That guy's in. All right, that's it. That is done. Okay, so we have this last pin, and I'm pretty sure that goes with that. Oh. So this goes here, and I think that goes there. I could be wrong. Handle the scandal. I think this guy goes there. Do I have to take the thing off? I think I have to. Okay, and then these guys are part of this, and if I'm correct, oh great, I think it goes like this. I gotta check the picture. Hey, where'd that, oh, you nut, get over here. Do it first and then check the diagram, right? Let's see. I guess I'm right. Check it out. There you go. You can take a picture of that. Picture, I mean a screenshot. What a dork. Sound like a boomer. Okay, boomer. And I'm gonna leave them loose for now, because like I said, I still gotta put that thing on. Okay. Oh, great. I'll get it after. Let's finish this up. It's hot. It's like 80 something. I thought summer was over. We're in Halloween time. It's like what, October 6th, 5th? I don't even know what day I'm on. And we're almost done, y'all. Now we just gotta put that handle thing. Everything else is already secured except for this guy, so. Oh, there you go. Yeah, son. Yeah! There you go. Engine stand. Damn. Oh, great. Well, we know it works. So, that's cool. It's got different spots. There you go. Alright. Now all I gotta do is put an engine on here. Alright, and when it's all done, it should look like this. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. So, you might be seeing it in my upcoming videos in the background or something, but yeah, it's done. Nice. And then it just folds up. You just pull these guys up and you're done, son. So till next time, peace.